This is a presidential 2-bedroom suite at the Royalton in Negril, Jamaica, rooms 1211 and 1212 in Building 1. So entering the room, we're coming into the common area here, and to the left in this room is the master. So the master, there is a king bed, as you can see, nightstands on each side, lighting on each side, a wall full of mirrors, which I love. And then stepping back, you can see there is a television and cabinet underneath, which has a refrigerator. There is a desk and chair, another mirror here, and then a sofa bed and coffee table, if you like. And then stepping right out, there are sliding doors here. And this is the balcony. Beautiful view of the ocean, the Diamond Club pool. And now let's take a look at the bathroom. So going into the master bathroom, it's pretty large. It has the double sinks, lots of mirrors. There is a very large jetted tub in the middle of the floor. Armoires, lots of storage, lots of mirrors to this side. And then we have the shower. It's a much bigger shower than the standard rooms, again with the double rain head and an area to sit. And then on the opposite side would be the area for the toilet. So now just taking another look at the room, there's the armoires. The closet actually features lots of shelving. There's a safe, area for hanging clothes, and drawers to use. So now let's go right back out to the common living area. So here is an area that is behind the island, a refrigerator, microwave, a wine chiller. And there are stools around the island, more drawers, storage. Stepping back a bit, there is a table in the middle, floor with chairs, and then there is also another sofa bed over in the corner. So this is the common living area, and it does also go out to the same balcony shared with the presidential, or shared with the master suite side. On this balcony, there is a jetted tub, so that makes that one extra special. Again, a nice, lovely view. This is the second floor of Building 1. This room actually is a combination of the presidential 1-bedroom and then a luxury suite. So let's go and take a look at the other room. This room features 2 queen beds, and there is also a jetted tub. Again, there are drapes here to divide the room off if you desire. A lot of storage here on this side as well. There is drawers. There is the bathroom here. And actually there's a bathroom in the common area too, a 3-piece bathroom. So the actual space features 2 bedrooms, 3 beds, 3 sofa beds, and 3 bathrooms. So you have plenty of space for everyone. And so that was the shower. Looking back here, there are two queen beds. As I mentioned, there is the TV, and there's another refrigerator under there. Sofa bed, a desk and chair, and then stepping out, there is the balcony. So this is a private balcony for this side, which offers a beautiful view as well. So there you have it, the luxury 2-bedroom presidential suite at the Royalton in Negril, Jamaica.